Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing about Java server pages HTTP status codes. So we will discuss the HTTP status codes in JSP. So the format of the HTTP request and the HTTP response messages are similar and will have the structure: an initial status line plus CRLF carriage return plus line feed, that is new line, 0 or more header lines plus a CRLF, and a blank line, that is a CRLF, and an optional message body like a file, query data or query output. For example, a server response header looks like a HTTP content type text or HTML, header to header n, blank line, then doc type HTML, head, body, and then HTML. So the status line consists of the HTTP version HTTP/1.1, a status code 200, and a very short message corresponding to the status code OK in the example. So the table lists out the HTTP status codes and associated messages that might be returned from the web server. Code 100, message continue. Description: only a part of the request has been received by the server, but as long as it has not been rejected, the client should continue with the request. 101, switching protocols. The server switches protocol. 200, OK, the request is OK. 201, created, the request is complete and a new resource is created. 202, accepted, the request is accepted for processing, but the processing is not complete. 203, non-authoritative information. 204, no content. 205, reset content. 206, partial content. 300, multiple choices. A link list, the user can select a link and go to that location. Maximum 5 addresses. 301, moved permanently, the requested page has moved to a new URL. 302, found, the requested page has moved temporarily to a new URL. 303, see other, the request page can be found under a different URL. 304, not modified. 305, use proxy. 306, unused. This code was used in a previous version and it is no longer used, but the code is reserved. 307, temporary redirect. The requested page has moved temporarily to a new URL. 400, bad request. The server did not understand the request. 401, unauthorized. The requested page needs a username and password. 402, payment required. 403, forbidden. Access is forbidden to the requested page. 404, not found. The server cannot find the requested page. 405, method not allowed. The method specified in the request is not allowed. 406, not acceptable. The server can only generate a response that is not accepted by the client. 407, proxy authentication required. You must authenticate with a proxy server before this request can be served. 408, request timeout. The request took longer than the server was prepared to wait. So this was a brief discussion on Java server pages, and we'll be discussing more on Java in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.